Welcome. If you're looking to export all voice messages from a Telegram group using the latest update on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to get all those voice messages saved to your computer in just a few clicks. First, make sure you have the Telegram desktop app installed and updated to the latest version. This feature is only available on the desktop version, so mobile users will need to switch over to their computer for this process. Start by opening the Telegram app on your PC. Once you're in, navigate to the group from which you want to export voice messages. Click to open the group chat and then look at the top of the window for the group's name. Click on the group name to bring up the contact info panel. This is where you'll find all the details and settings related to that group. Now, look for the three dots icon, usually located in the upper right corner of the contact info panel. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Export Chat History. This is the key feature that allows you to save all sorts of data from the group, including text, photos, videos, and importantly, voice messages. A new window will pop up with a list of data types you can export. Here, you'll see options like photos, videos, files, and more. Make sure to check the box labeled Voice Messages. If you only want to export voice messages, you can uncheck the other options, but you're free to include additional media if you wish. Once you've selected Voice Messages, scroll down and click the Export button. Telegram will now start gathering all the voice messages from the group and save them to a folder on your computer. Depending on the size of the group's history, this process might take a few moments. When the export is complete, you'll find a folder on your computer containing all the voice messages, ready for you to access, play, or backup as needed. And that's it. Exporting all voice messages from a Telegram group on your PC is now quick and easy with the new update. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more tips to make the most of your Telegram experience.